Hello, it's June 30th. I'm officially 29 weeks pregnant now. So much progress has been made in the home. Well, I mean, I guess like kind of. We've gotten a lot of things. We've gotten a lot of things done. But then we bring more stuff in from the other place, and then I feel like it's just a chaotic mess again, and that's just not fun. But it's been stressful none the least, but I made some decent progress today. Kind of wanted to show you guys. I don't know how, I guess I should film these home videos or whatever, but I don't know. Let me know if you guys would be even interested in me organizing things and getting stuff done and all that kind of stuff, because I'm like, nobody's gonna want to watch that because it's freaking boring. But here I am watching, like, I have a vlog on in the background for myself just to have like some noise. The biggest thing is we got our couch, which has been huge, just trying to get like wall decor hung, which was the biggest thing that I did today. So I got some wall decor hung. It doesn't look like much, and I did like our little bathroom. Our bathroom is right next to the refrigerator, which is the weirdest thing ever, but just got like some, you know, artwork done. Here I am. This romper is from Amazon. Oh, I'm totally matching the bathroom. Here we go. Can you see the bump? Oh my gosh, you guys, I got like 0 sleep last night. He now has the hiccups, so that's been fun, and he kicks me in the bladder while he has them, and then when he's not having hiccups, he just rolls around like crazy and is doing I don't know what in there. But I got no sleep last night. I had to pee like 20 times. But that's okay. I'm happy he's in there moving and doing his own thing. We still have so much. Like I said, like, we'll clean and then we bring more stuff in. And it's just, this is all like cardboard from the couch being delivered. We got our freaking couch. It's been sitting in the family living room all day. Oh yeah. Oh, it looks a lot better. It's not, it's a lot lighter. It looks really good. Pillows. Whoa, nice new decorative pillows. But we're already obsessed with our couch. Love it. And yeah, just trying to figure out where everything is gonna go, which has been a little difficult. But in the room, our bedroom is a disaster. It's just, I don't know, one thing after another. I feel like I can't catch up, but that's that. So I thought I would just check in briefly and show you guys what's going on. I don't know, I know a lot of you guys are like, wow, your skin has cleared up so much. Like, what are you doing? It was pregnancy. Okay, so I didn't wear makeup for like a year solid, and I think that kind of really helped. And I was out in the sun a lot, which helped as well. I know it's kind of like controversial, but it really helped my skin. And then once I got pregnant, a lot of like the little white dots that I had, the little white things everywhere, like disappeared. But I ended up getting like really bad eczema. You can still kind of see I have the red chin redness here, and it's not looking as bad, but I ended up getting melasma as well. So I have like this permanent mark here, and that showed up in like March, so like it wasn't even sunny or anything. And then I have like melasma under my nose there, so where just the skin gets darker, I guess your immune system attacks the skin. And I have that line on your belly as well, which is kind of fun. And I ended up getting like a super bad rash like in my chest, and that was really, really bad. Like, it's, I don't even know. So it's like, it's not acne, it's something else. I wanted to just check in with you guys, show the progress, and yeah. Our first home low. First problem was the prong for our dryer was wrong. So my husband had to do electrician vibe and change out the whole plug system. Ours was a 3-prong, and apparently the new ones are 4 prongs, so that was a whole thing. And then
the old fitting won't come off. It's rusted on. So I'm gonna have to cut the pipe and put a new fitting on.
So he's just draining the water right now. And then, because we can't do laundry because it won't go on the pipe. I believe in you. Look at, oh, can't really see how it's like actually rusted on there so good. There we go. Show off your new lawnmower.
The only time it's gonna be cool.
The Toro 3000.
3,000.
Mm-hmm. All-wheel drive, baby.
Yeah, we'll see how that works.
I know. Look at this setup. What? Look at him go. Goodbye, condo.
What's that? That's a little sad. One of the bigger and better things.
Got married.
Got pregnant.
Penguins.
And got engaged.
Yeah, got engaged, got married, got pregnant. All of the above.
Lots of big events.
Yeah. I remember you were spinning me around. All empty. Empty condo tour. All gone. Bye, condo. Here we go. Empty house tour. First, we're gonna start over here with the front door here. Got the front door. Got some shelving. Open floor. Look at this lovely backyard we got. So excited. And it goes right into our kitchen here. Look at all this lovely stuff. Awesome. Let's go to the basement. It's a little tight over here, so let's go to the basement. Our big basement! Whoa! And where's the hall light? I don't know what the hall light is here. Oh, she left her washer and dryer! What? She left her washer and dryer! But they said she wasn't going to. Don't do that. What are you doing? Yeah. Do you really?
Dude, is that a dead cow or something?
Oh no, it's the insulation. We got the Harry Potter under the stairs. Got a little bit of that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah. Look at all this space. Upstairs we go. Don't fall. So here's our bedroom. Got the lovely chocolate Nutella wall over here. Oh my, she left all of her hangers. My gosh. Look at this small ass closet. I can touch both sides. And then all her hangers. Our tiny little bathroom. Oh yeah. Oh, I didn't realize that. Well, right here, you want to see? Here's this bathroom. Oh, she left a bath mat too. There we go.
She was just leaving in a hurry.
She was like, you know.
I heard.
Right, this is baby boy's room.
I heard her tell her agent that she didn't leave until like 9:30 last night.
Aw. Yeah, we're gonna have to throw away all these hangers. I mean, like the plastic one, like these are fine.
Yeah,
but like, yeah. So here's baby boy's room. And then here is where Samuel's gonna sleep.
Hell no.
There we go. Look at that. So that is officially our entire empty house. Thumbnail. Welcome to our new home with the crackheads. Yeah. Got the outfit check. Bump. Here. Bump update. Can't see them. I am officially 26 weeks and 6 days. I'll be 27 weeks tomorrow. Well, almost. Third trimester. What do you think? We actually left your washer and dryer.
vault was burned out.
Uh-oh. And look at this, Samuel. This is almost like your bathroom. Reminds me of it. Like the layout, you know what I mean?
Looking like a goblin. Daisuke.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Ready to start painting.